Let us proceed to the next problem. A simple problem. A cylinder of diameter 4 meter is placed between two moving plates with a velocity of 5 meter per second and 2 meter per second as shown in the figure. Find angular velocity of the cylinder. That means just we need to find out what is this omega. That's it. When we were discussing about this case during our initial lectures, we said that if the velocities are in the same direction, ICR will lie anywhere on this diameter line but outside the body. This we have already concluded. And I have also told you that I will take some example with values and show that how much far or how much outside the body that ICR will lie. So this is now the time where we will see how much far or how to locate ICR for this particular case. So what to do in this case? You just need to draw one simple line. Let us say this one, VA is equal to 5 meter per second. So what I will do, from this point, I will make a line of, let us say 5 centimeter, an approximate line of, and because this velocity of VB is also in this direction of 2 meter per second, I will make a line here also. But this line should be comparatively smaller. If I am making the line this much big for 5 meter per second, proportionally I will make this line shorter for 2 meter per second. It is just a proportion. You don't have to make it as per scale. Just as per proportion. If this is a line for 5 meter per second, then proportionally I am making a line of 2 meter per second only till this part. Now what we need to do? We need to join these 2 points. So I am joining these 2 points with a straight line and just extend it. And we also know that the ICR lies anywhere along this diameter line. So I will extend this diameter line also, and wherever they are meeting, that point will be your ICR. So hope you now have got the method of locating ICR for this particular case. What you need to do in simple terms, you have to make a simple line for representing 5 meter per second. On the contrary, you have to also make a line representing 2 meter per second. Join these 2 points and let it intersect to the extension of diameter. Wherever they intersect, that will be your ICR. Now let us assume that this ICR or point I lies at a distance of x from this point. I am just assuming that this distance is x. The total distance or the diameter of this entire line or the distance of this entire line is nothing but the diameter of circle, which is given to us as 4 meters. Now if you observe, there are 2 different triangles. One triangle is, let us say, this smaller triangle. If I name it as, let us say, M, O, and let us say this point I will name it as N, and this point I will name it as P. Now there are 2 triangles. One triangle is this smaller one, MOI, and other triangle is this one, INP, bigger triangle. What I am doing, I am just applying concept of similarity. So by using concept of similarity of triangles, what I will get? I will get this one, 5 divided by 4 plus x. So this is 5, that is base of this triangle, divided by height of this triangle. So what will be height? 4 plus x should be equal to base of this triangle, which is 2 meter per second. We have drawn it. So 2 meter per second, that is 2, and the height for this triangle is only x. So I have written by similarity 5 divided by 4 plus x should be equal to 2 divided by x. So on solving that, I will get answer for x as 2.66 meters. That means I have got that this ICR is located at 2.66 meters away from this particular point. Now to find out angular velocity of the cylinder, we have the relation V is equal to R omega, simple relation. So if I consider point A, let us consider point A. So what will be that? What is our concept? If I take point A, I have to take distance of ICR till point A only. So I will written here IA multiplied by omega. So I will write VA is already known to me, 5 meter per second, 6.66 IA. How this value I got? This is total 4 plus 2.66. This total distance IA will be the distance from I to this particular point A will be 4 plus 2.66, it will be 6.66, and hence I will get the answer for omega as 0.751 radian per second, and this completes the solution in the simplest form. So you can see just 4-line answers, and that will fetch you around 5 to 6 marks. Just a simple logic of similar triangles was used.